Day 48 of 100. Let's get right to it. Good morning, Yahweh. Good morning, universe. Good morning, nature. Thank you for another day. Let's go. Keep pushing yourself. Keep showing up every day. No matter how repetitive the process seems, just know that you are making progress. This is the process. Doing the same thing over and over and over and over and over again. This is why life is so amazing. Not one of those days are the same. You didn't take the same amount of steps. You're not wearing the same clothes. You didn't go the same direction. The weather is different. The energy has changed. Continue to stay aligned and move with a purpose. A blessing is coming your way. Allow yourself to write down and visualize the results before they are tangible. Consistency is key. Breathe. You will reap your rewards. Don't rush or chase the process. Repeat the process and attract the results. Enjoy your journey. Much love. Grow by any means. Back at it tomorrow. Peace.